Gotta get my water bucket. Snow drift right there. That is up to my knees. Oh my god! Should have wore snow pants. Nope. No snow right there. Hi guys, covered in snow in there. Sorry. And bury that door next. That one's good. It's that time of year where we ask, why do we live here? Time to move to Florida. Because that snowbank is probably 3.5 feet deep right there. I still have to go over there. Jake stayed home from work today for obvious reasons, so I have help. So normally every year we have this part plasticed off too, but we didn't get to it this year before winter just hit. So for the first time, we have snow drifts in the coop. It's a little better over here though. It's all plasticed off. Alright, we have about a 3.5 foot snow drift that pretty much covers the whole goat pen. I have to get over there. This is our hay trailer. It's pretty heavy. I have to figure out how to get to that hay for the goats. And that's our horse hay, completely covered in snow. When it's windy, the horses go down there. They prefer being down in that corner to being in their barn. Husband to the rescue with the tractor. Now the goat's door is pretty much done. I think the wind beat it in and then it ice shut, so I can't get it open. We have this little wind tunnel path. I'm gonna let the goats out, but their feeder is completely covered. We'll see how they react. Who wants outside? Who wants outside? Come outside, Pearl, or no? Hi, Cynthia, Bruce, Donna. Anybody want to come check it out? I can't get the door to stay open. If you come in, Bruce, you'll be the first to test it out. No? Not worth it? I put their hay right there for now. What you girls think, huh? Let's see if I can keep this door open. You gonna try to get to that hay feeder, Bruce? Oh. Not gonna happen, Cynthia. What do you think, Bruce? I don't think the chickens are coming out. I took the door thing off anyway. You gonna stay right there, Bruce? Hi, Pearl. You can come check it out? Just for the hay? Yeah, of course you would. She's gonna go put that in her bed. She's gonna use all this hay to make her bed fluffy. Goats don't appreciate you making a bed out of their hay. No, you do not, huh, Bruce? You don't appreciate the snow and wind either. We have a little wind tunnel. I think I'm gonna make them a little path right here so they can come get some water. Is that stupid eagle? Our horses. Now, that's their hay, and I have to find their grain buckets. The grain buckets are somewhere underneath this blanket of white. So I'm gonna shuffle around with my boots until I find them. I found one almost right away. Now to find the other. Found it. Woo. Got both of them. Horses will be happy to have grain. Jake's out there plowing the goat pen. The snow drifts was probably 3 foot to 3.5 foot tall. So there's the goat feeder. The drifts are right up to the top. I would say that it definitely takes a special kind of person to want to do this type of life. It is not for the weak. They want their grain. Trying to steal hay for her bed. So rude. Hi, Pearl. What's all this snow? Gonna go run.